morning. We're at freaking McDonald's. But I'm not eating anything. You got me hash browns?
Yeah.
No. Guess I mean some. Going to go to a bowling tournament. I'm there for moral support. Tell me I'm too good to play. No, I can't play anymore. I broke the record. 300. At the bowling alley. Tori's not here. Slept in. Yep. Slacking, Tori. Slacking.
Yeah.
Oh. It's the hash browns.
No, it's not like that.
Diarrhea.
He has a lot of time on her hands.
The tree fell down yesterday. Now it keeps barking. Pepe doesn't do anything. I mean a bar. Get him, Pepe. Pepe's like, get off me, Nala.
I said, my turn. I'm on my voodoosh. I know my voodoosh. Hey, bye, baby.
Pepe's trying to get that tan on. Pepe, you're old, man.
Pepe, you wanna play? You wanna play? You wanna play? No? Okay.
Pet store. We got our guinea, birdie,
Go look in there.
guinea pigs for days. And then there's puppies over there. Puppies. Look at the ferret. Reminds me of like Kindergarten Cop.
Kindergarten.
You never see?
Oh, little ferret. Watch it like come and bite my finger. Ooh, that's
Yeah, your camera. Yeah, you like that. Bye me. Found the Huskies and the German Shepherd. That one looks tight. Aww. Aww, so cute. Look at you. He's like, hey, let's go, man. Go play some basketball. Look at him.
That's the cutest thing.
It's so small.
It looks like it came over to pose for you.
I know, right?
Look at that.
It's like, what's up, ladies?
Oh, that's so cute.
Husky. Yeah. Oh, Great Dane.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's like,
It's like a baby little baby.
it's a miniature pincher. Look at the little side. He's getting ready to fight. He's got a little Rottweiler. Oh my god. We found Nemo. Lucky fin, Nemo. Come on, Nemo, swim. I think it's stuck. Huh? He gone now. Nemo! Nemo! Wait for it. Focus, camera. Ah. You all gonna die.
Ew, that's
You all gonna die?
That's so one of those ones.
This is like, hey, hey. This one's struggling.
My hands are sleeping. Ew, ew.
Found Rango. Hey, hey.
I mean, he eat and he was doing fine, and then the next day
Change color. Do it.
and there he was dead.
Oh. These are probably all the dogs I was born in my house. Yeah, you and you and that husky. I like that color, husky. What's up, buddy? Nap time? Jungle Gyms International Grocery Store. They have everything. Look at all these olives. Everything. I love this teddy bear behind us. Right? Boom. There's a bug in this. The bee. And that's a scorpion. Yeah. Mexican restaurant. Gotta go ham. I mean, carne. Got this. Got 2 pounds of this. We're gonna eat so good today. Got the stuff, guys. Got this seasoning for the meat. Got my lemon juice. I don't want to squeeze actual lemons because it's too much work. And I got 2 pounds of carne. It's a lot of meat. We're gonna make this today and feast like Mexicans. Action, cooking show. Prepare this meal.
You're gonna tell your dad's secret?
For a lemon. Not a secret. I'm probably doing this wrong. This is my way to add my uncle's. Sprinkle some Mexican powder. Get the little juices flowing. Next, we cut the meat with a knife. Make sure it's sharp. We're not gonna use this though. Do I get all raw meat?
No.
Don't worry, I wash my hands. Okay. Put the meat in. Make sure it's got room. Squirt it. Season it. Oh yeah. Get that Mexican sauce and stuff. And then put the other piece. And it all nice and juicy. And repeat with every meat. Sounds dirty. Taking a pull break, guys. Gotta let the meat serenade. That's not gonna go in because it's blocking that.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm not solids. Look at all my stripes over here. You got this, essay. Then you put it on the pan and cook it. Yeah. You smell that, Nava?
What?
How you doing?
I don't.
How you doing? This was my cat.
Hey.
Fried cookies. Baking me cookies. She lost the pool game. Alright. Yeah. cookies.
Chloe tweeted it.
Playing Dare Pool. And I lost not the first round. I've been the champ, but I lost. Been dethroned. And my dare is to drink a spoonful of soy sauce. Elementary, I say. Holy fuck. Okay, that's good. Alright. That's so
Hold on,
much.
wait.
What are you doing? That's fine.
There.
Okay. Alright. This is gonna taste so bad.
I know. What you get for losing?
What is that?
Bullshit. You have to do it again.
No?
You didn't do the. You spit it
That's
out.
what I have. That's just disgusting.